In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign in to My Apron from an approved internal terminal or secure corporate network. To get started, make sure you are using Chrome on an approved internal terminal or while connected to a secure corporate network. This is important because My Apron is designed to be accessed through authorized internal systems, and using the correct environment helps ensure both access and security. Before moving forward, take a moment to confirm that your connection is active and that Chrome is fully open and ready to use. Once Chrome is open, go to the central My Apron login web address. You can either type the address directly into the browser's address bar or use a saved internal resource if your workplace provides one. When entering the web address, be careful to use the correct official login page so you can avoid access issues and make sure you are signing in through the proper company portal. After the page loads, you should see the standard login screen for the employee intranet. On the login page, enter your store location number, your associate ID, and your password in the appropriate fields. Take your time here and make sure each detail is entered accurately. If you are typing your password, remember that it may be case sensitive, so even a small typo could prevent you from logging in. It's also a good idea to double check that you are entering each piece of information in the correct box before continuing. After your login details are filled in, click the Sign In button. This will submit your credentials, and if everything is correct, open the internal employee intranet. Depending on your connection speed or system performance, the page may take a few moments to load, so give it a second before clicking again. Once you're signed in, you should have access to the internal tools and resources available through My Apron. As a final tip, always make sure you are signing in only on approved devices and secure networks, and avoid sharing your login information with anyone else. If the page does not load properly or your credentials are not accepted, recheck the information you entered and confirm that you are on the correct internal network before trying again. That's how to sign into My Apron from an approved internal terminal or secure corporate network.